This is the Ulefone X, a $166 phone that wants to look like the iPhone X by offering a similar design, excellent build quality, and pretty good specifications for the price. As always, in this video, I will go through all the features of this phone so you can make a buying decision yourself. In the box, you get all the usual items, and some extras include a screen protector and USB OTG cable. Unfortunately, there is no case included. Once you pick the phone up, the initial impressions are that the phone is sturdy and it's well built. The Ulefone X feels nice in the hand too, although the edges on the back are a little bit sharp. My biggest frustration, however, is the button placement. I mean, seriously, who puts volume keys below the power key? The notch display is really good even though it doesn't support the highest resolution. The panel is sharp enough for daily use and sunlight legibility is okay. On the back we have a dual camera system and a fingerprint scanner that is actually pretty accurate, but the display could light up a little bit faster after unlocking. There is also a face unlock feature that works quite well, but I prefer using a fingerprint scanner. The Ulefone X also supports wireless charging feature that works very well with the charger I tested it with. Other key features include a headset jack, a hybrid dual SIM card slot, 8-megapixel selfie camera, but there is no LED notification light. The loudspeaker quality is just average. Here is an audio sample. Just before we start talking about the hardware, I wanted to show you guys awesome VAVA Bluetooth earphones, and I wanted to say thanks for sponsoring this video. The headset costs less than $34 US, but it feels more expensive than it is. The earbuds are made of metal and they have magnets, so you can attach them to one another. The headset also has a nice controller and it ships with plenty of accessories including a carrying pouch, extra ear tips, and a USB cable. Other key features include up to 9 hours of battery life, 2 hours charging time, and IPX6 splash-proof rating. Most importantly, the sound quality is just excellent for the price. There is a good separation between highs, mids, and lows, and there is plenty of bass, and noise isolation is pretty good. Also, I found the headset to be very comfortable to wear, thanks to angled ear tip design. All in all, this headset offers a lot of value for the price, and I can definitely recommend you checking it out. All the links, including discount codes, are in the video description down below. The Ulefone X ships with a pretty standard list of specs we've seen on many budget phones. Gaming performance is surprisingly good. Obviously, you should expect to see some stutter and skipped frames, but you can still enjoy playing 3D games as there is no major lag. Even the PUBG is playable on the low graphics settings. I love the fact that the Ulefone went with Android 8.1 on this phone that looks clean. Well, you may see some customized icons in the settings menu and a few added features, but that's about it. The overall performance is great. The phone just feels smooth and fast thanks to stock Android. I usually install plenty of apps on each phone I test and I'm yet to see the phone lag or stutter. I'm quite impressed with the overall performance. You can take some decent pictures in good lighting with this phone, but the camera is inconsistent. Some shots have less detail than expected, whereas other images have too much noise and colors look washed out. As usual, you should not expect any stellar results from portrait shots or low-light images. Selfie image quality is very bad. I don't know if this is only my review unit, but these selfies simply do not look good at all. 1080p video quality is quite average, but continuous autofocus feature works well for a budget phone. 1080p selfie video is just horrible. I think I have a phone with a defective front-facing camera, to be honest, so your results may vary. When it comes to connectivity, I have no complaints, as the call quality and signal reception have been good all the time and GPS works fine. In addition, both SIM card slots support 4G network. Also, the phone has quite a few sensors including a gyroscope. Battery life has been pretty good on this device. The best screen on time I was able to get was about 8 hours. If you use the phone more intensively, you should expect to get about 6 hours of SOT. Charging time is about 2 hours with a supply charger. Overall, I like the Ulefone X for its design, excellent build quality, good display, good day-to-day and even gaming performance. I also like stock Android and decent battery with wireless charging support. However, I just hate the button placement, also there is no LED notification light, and finally, selfie camera is either bad or I have a defective unit. At the end of the day, the Ulefone X is one of those budget phones that offers quite a lot of value for the price because it does most of the things right, but the phone also has quite a few flaws to consider before buying it. But what do you guys think about the Ulefone X? Would you buy this phone or would you choose another device? As always, use the comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.